self-made millennial. I'm Madeline Mann. Today I'm here to tell you that asking someone, can I buy you a cup of coffee sometime, when making plans for networking purposes may actually decrease the likelihood that they will meet up with you. And I'll discuss the psychological implications of that ask. You are so much more likely to get someone to agree to the question, are you free to grab coffee sometime, than can I buy you a cup of coffee sometime. What's the difference between these asks? It's that buying a cup of coffee for someone feels transactional. The person you're asking doesn't want to feel like their time is being bought through a cup of coffee. And let's be real, our time is worth a little bit more than a few bucks, okay? So the way you do it is you'd ask, would I be able to pick your brain over a cup of coffee? And while in your initial conversation you're not promising that you'll pay for their coffee, still pay for their coffee. It'll come off as very gracious, stick that credit card out there. It's on me. I know, it's a weird song and dance, but hey, that's showbiz, baby. This was even shown in a study where a woman asked people to help her move boxes, and people were significantly more likely to help her when she simply asked for it as a favor, versus offering a small monetary reward. When the monetary reward is small, people do the calculation of whether or not their time is worth that and say no often. But if there is no reward, they identify themselves as being altruistic, and that feels pretty darn good for people. You know, I also have thoughts about the phrase, no problem. We use that phrase all the time, but there's some things that you should probably consider before you use it as liberally as we usually do. So if you want to hear my thoughts on that, I will link that video in the description. Please hit a like on this video and subscribe to this channel for no reward, no monetary reward, just because you dig the content. Thanks so much, everyone. Wi-Fi high five.